What's happening, everyone? Got another hard reset for you today. Today we're going to do a hard reset on a AT&T Propel 2 5G. If you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password and you forgot what that is and you have to do a hard reset, I'll show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you do delete all the data off the phone. So if you got anything important on here, it's definitely going to get deleted. So just keep that in mind. If you guys haven't yet, subscribe. We have a ton more of these hard resets and teardowns coming down. And also, if you want to see something special, just let us know what hard reset you're looking for, and we'll try to get it up for you. Kind of like a hard reset request, if you will. But let's get into this one. The first thing we want to do is want to make sure that the phone is off. And in this case, it is. You have your volume up, volume down, and power button right there. And what we want to do is we want to hold volume up and power at the same time. I'm going to start holding volume up first, and then I'll hit the power button. And it should bring us right into the bootloader options. Volume up navigates the arrow up and down, and volume down selects. So we want the arrow to point on recovery and then hit volume down. And sometimes it takes a second to register and load, so don't worry, you're doing it right. When you get this no command screen, to get out of this to the actual reset menu, what you want to do is hold power and tap volume up and then let go relatively quick. And then you get your options for the hard reset. And what we want to do is we want to scroll down to wipe data factory reset. You want to use the volume buttons to scroll, the power button to select, and select factory data reset. It's deleting. It's done, and we can now either reboot or turn off, and I'm just going to power it off in this situation. But if you do reboot it, just loads to the welcome screen, and then you can navigate the phone back to the home screen and set it up how you had it originally. But that is how we do a hard reset on a AT&T Propel 2 5G. If you guys have any questions, drop a comment. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.